Good morning, folks. Today I'm going to attempt to install a carburetor on this Husqvarna. I did get a carburetor kit. Hopefully everything is in there that I'll need. It doesn't look too complicated, but over the years it's just been getting harder and harder to start. And so today I'm going to walk you through on how to install this carburetor. I've never installed one, but we'll do it together. So what we need to do first is get you a screwdriver. There's 3 of these tabs that you have to pop up to gain access to the carburetor. Let's see how dirty it is. And here's the carburetor. So you just pop this off. And I've never done this, so we're just going to learn as we go. Alright, looks like it has air filter possibly, so it's not too bad dirty. Hopefully you can see that. There's some trash in there, not too bad. Clean that out. Carburetor's right there, and I hope we ordered the correct one. And again, I've never done this, so I'm gonna look it over. Looks like there's a bolt there. X. Nothing there. Ignore the noise you hear from outside. It's folks actually getting limbs, mulching it up. So it looks like there's this one main screw. Screw down here. Hold on, let me see if I can get another tool. A little bit of a slow process to get this bottom screw out, but we got it. Both of them are the same size. Looks like there's going to be 3 screws. Goes something like, let's see, I'm not sure if this is the right carburetor. Let's see, I think it goes like that. Could be it. That's a little crooked, but that one is too. So there's another one back here somewhere. Let's get that one. So it looks like this one screw right here has to come out. Get that out of there. Just a standard billet screw, thread screwdriver. We pop this lever off. Hopefully you can see that. That gets us into here. And right here is a screw that needs to be removed, hidden. It took a minute to find that one just because they've got it in that screw in place. Get that screw out. There's a couple of wires after you get that 3rd screw out that you got to pull these wires off. Just remember how they're oriented, I guess. One, that's the top one. carburetor except for this line right here. So we can come right out. There's the assembly. And what we're going to do is try to put this, a new one, back in its place. You can see how gommed up that is and dirty. So let's see if we can get this new one installed. So I had to take one little screw off that was right here to be able to get this off. And I do have a new bulb to go in it. I'm not sure if I'll use that. This one's still in good shape, working. Hoses look good, they're not cracked or broke. So I'll probably keep the hoses. The carburetor actually is the only thing I want to replace. I think it's just over time it's gommed up or gummed up. So hopefully the other one goes in easily and we'll go from there. Looks like we got the assembly back on. You just have to thread this back through, pop that back on there. It's one way only. Like I said, I'm leaving the bulb on there. This one doesn't. It's brand new, but this one's been working. So next to install it back on. So basically just reassembling, putting your screws back in. Don't forget to hook up your two little wires. Basically just reassemble everything, put it back together, and we will see if that makes a difference. I'll let you know when I get ready to start it. It's getting close.